Is it possible to create content and earn crypto for doing that? What about watching your fave bloggers' videos and getting rewarded with crypto? Sounds interesting, huh? My name is Amin, and in today's video, we'll talk about the exciting Gari Network project that is changing the creator economy right now. Let's roll. Gari Network introduces social media apps to blockchain. The main product of Gari is Chingari application, the biggest on-chain web-free social app, which is based on Solana. The Chingari showed impressive results by taking place in the top 20 most downloaded applications on Google Play just 2 years after the launch. Gari is a social token. It serves as a currency of Chingari and a token giving an opportunity to join the governance and influence the development process. Gari exists to motivate creators to produce authentic content and maintain the viewer's involvement via transparent, limited features, unique content, and involvement in the platform's activities through a decentralized governance structure. There are several possible ways of getting Gari tokens by using the Chingari app. To create videos and earn rewards in Gari. To watch videos and earn tokens. It is also possible to engage with creators by liking and commenting on videos and earning crypto for doing that. Let's dive into the history of Gari Network. Gari Network is originally from India. According to the roadmap, the work on Gari Network started in August 2021, whilst the Chingari application was launched in November 2018. Today, the project has become the largest short video sharing platform in India. It's often dubbed as the TikTok of India. Gari Network has 4 co-founders, Samit Ghosh, Deepak Salvi, Biswatma Nayak, and Aditya Kothari. The core goal of Gari is to institutionalize the space, boost the expansion and development of the ecosystem behind digital assets and blockchain. Also, with Gari Network, both creators and users have a chance to get paid for their creations and experience. Let's take a look at the main advantages of Gari Network. The project offers monetization for platform users. Gari is willing to solve the problem of many content platforms which do not reward creators and users' contributions adequately. Gari is creating an ecosystem that allows people to monetize their participation. It is a very successful application. Chingari app has already attracted millions of users and is continuing to grow the audience. This surely affects the loyalty of the crypto community, which potentially would like to join the project and earn Gari tokens. What about the weak features of Gari Network? We can mention that it is a young project. The success of the Chingari app does influence the Gari Network a lot, but still, as the project was launched just a year ago, it needs to be researched and developed to give users the best experience. The next big point is the current token price. At this very moment, the price of the Gari token is quite low. On the other hand, when the token price is lower than its all-time high price, sometimes it means that it is a possibly great buy. Furthermore, Gari Network consists of multiple products, and the Gari token is a social utility token integrated across all the products. To sum up, the Gari Network creator economy has got an impressive start and is gaining more attention from crypto enthusiasts. The project concept of create to earn will have a bright future. Today, Chingari is one of the fastest growing apps in India with millions of daily users from India, the USA, UAE, and other countries. Please note that we are not financial advisors. This video is created for educative purposes only. We highly recommend doing your own research before getting into crypto. We hope this video helped you to understand the Gari Network project better. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more videos from SimpleSwap.